everybody. It is Brooke with Re-Fabbed. Okay, so this was $2. Home is my happy place. I know it's backwards, but you can see it. I think it's cute as it is, 100%. It's a little shelf sitter, absolutely nothing wrong with it. But I saw it and I was like, $2? That's cute, I could do something with that. So something I'm gonna do today, and I've got two crafts I might do, but I'm not positive about the other one yet. So what I'm gonna do is I thought it would be fun this morning. Like I said, this is $2 from Dollar General store. It's super cute as it is, but I thought it would be fun to paint over this and then put a sunshine, like one of those really fun sunshines that's like whimsical and fun, and kind of do, and use some of my liquid stuff. What is it called? Gel medium for the sun, maybe? I don't know. I feel like I need some sunshine today. It's been a rough day in general. It's okay. Listen, it's okay. In general, you know, sometimes there's a lot of stuff that happens in one day, and that's just the way it is. It's the way it is. So we are good here, but a sunshine is never a bad thing. Sunshine, period, is never a bad thing. Okay, I'm gonna roll this up so I don't get it on my new shirt that my friend Christy at Social Easel designed. All right, like I said, we might do two, but I know we're for sure gonna do this. And I'm hoping that this cover's good. I don't know, I'm just trying. So I'm just gonna literally put paint over this. It's not raised, it's just printed on there. And I'm gonna get my little, and I'm hoping it covers it. It looks like it's going to. I'll paint it white. So that's all I'm doing, just painting over my sign, white. It may take 2 coats, but I don't know, it's covered pretty good. So obviously the whites are not gonna match exactly. That's totally fine because we're painting over it. But it's also something we can easily kind of work with. And it's okay if it gets on the sides, not a big deal. It's getting on the sides when I'm painting it. You know, in fact, it may be cute to kind of throw some paint on it and distress it off. So it's totally fine. Yes, I was ready for a spring craft. Valentine's Day is so fun. I could do a million Valentine's Day crafts because there's just so many ideas out there. But the truth is, sometimes I'm like, okay, enough with the Valentines. Let's move on to something else. And that's kind of where I was right now. I still have a ton of stuff I could do and that I may do for the blog. That way it's here year round for anybody looking for stuff. I don't know that I'll do many more Valentine crafts here though, live. Just because I just feel like they all start to be kind of the same. All right, I got a little too much paint, so I'm trying to kind of smear it around on here. But we're gonna have a big old yellow heart, so you're not really gonna be able to, you won't really notice some of this. Here's what it looks like right now. So you can kind of see through it, but that's totally fine. So we're gonna leave that right there for now to dry. I said that I didn't know if I was gonna do this other craft, but let's just go ahead while that's drying. I was at Target on the way back from Market. I stopped at the one in Nashville and I got this little sign, okay? It was $5 and it's like one of those wooden signs, okay? You can clearly see that. They had some different ones. I got 2 of them. I got a big circle, which is definitely, could be a sunshine, but then it'd just be a circle. It wouldn't have the rays, and the rays are the cute part. So I thought what I was gonna do on here, I'm gonna paint it a color. Probably just white today, I might highlight it with some colors, but probably just white, I don't know, because that's easy. And then, here's what I'm gonna do, because I think this is gonna be cool. I got this little round circle that I got probably at Dollar Tree, I don't know. I'm gonna put it in the center or maybe on the side. Actually probably on the side because I'm gonna do some words over here. And then I've got these little, you may have seen this, these little driftwood pieces that I used to make a tree. I think what I'm gonna do is put those over, coming off, let's see if I can show y'all. I don't know if you'll be able to tell. You can't tell. But coming off as rays, and then put just a little bit of yellow paint right here, not covering the whole thing, but just a little bit. So I think this is gonna be really cute too. And then I'm gonna paint another sunshine here. So it's gonna be 2 totally different sunshine crafts, but both equally cute, I think. So, don't make fun of me. This is the truth though. This is the only paintbrush I could find. We're just gonna go to town. I'm gonna go ahead and take the twine off because I don't know if I'm gonna hang it anyway. I can add it back if I want to. So I'm just gonna do it like this. We're just gonna paint. I'm glad you're here, April. It could be a bunny with only 2 rays. That's a pretty good idea right there. All right, let's get some white paint on here and get to going while this other one is drying. Okay, this is, I'm not using that. I don't even enjoy that. Let's use this one. I'm out of white. I've got more, but this is the only white I have in here. Okay, so I'm gonna take my small little paintbrush because I have about 10,000 million paintbrushes. I don't know where any of them are. I lose them, okay? I lose them. So, I go find what I can when it's time to paint, and I just roll with it. Some of these like real life painters that like do it for a living, they probably cringe at me. But, I get by. Right now I'm not painting the sides, but I will in just a minute. So don't freak out when you're seeing that the side's not painted. I will get them, because I definitely think on a sign like this, it definitely looks bad if the side is not painted. So we will. Right now we're just at the boring part of painting white. That's literally all. Okay, so this was a $2 sign from the Dollar General. Now, it said home is my happy place. It was very cute, but I just didn't need that. I've got a lot of signs that say similar stuff. I wanted the sunshine. So I painted over it with white acrylic paint, okay? It still needs some more, but I don't want to put more right now because I want to move along. So what I'm doing, I'm taking yellow flame apple barrel, okay? I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of white if I can get it out, okay? Because I just want it to simmer down a notch, okay? So I'm gonna mix it in there, just for the Putin sound, that's when you know it's toward the end. Okay, I'm gonna mix it up. Right here, see? I'll mix this up, and then I'll show you what it looks like. It's a very pretty pale yellow, okay? It's like a much more subtle yellow. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix some of my gel medium into that. Oh, if I can get it open. Oh my gosh, I can't open it. Hope you can open it. Oh, you can.
I can.
Oh gosh. Okay, so it's Liquitex, and I got it from Hobby Lobby. Gel medium, okay? So I'm gonna take some of that, and see it's like real thick, and I'm literally just gonna mix it in with my paint. It gives it a more textured look. You'll see. You just mix it in with your acrylic paint, and it literally gives it that like, just that textured look, like it's just a lot thicker, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm just literally going to, because it's still a little wet, but not bad. But what the good thing about it is, it's still a little wet, but I don't care if it mixes with some of the white because it'll just be that much prettier. So I'm just gonna make a circle here in the center, a little whimsy circle. And you can see how much thicker it is. I'm gonna show it to you in just a second. This circle does not have to be perfect, and I want it to be textured. That's the whole point in my doing this, is I want it to be textured because I love the look of textured paint. So I'm kind of leaving it thick. So here is, it almost looks like it's the start of a flower. See? Now I know you can see some of this, but we're about to have rays. So it's called Liquitex Gel Medium, okay? It just it gives your paint texture. Now here's how I like to do rays. Now I love to draw them. I'm not sure how good I'm gonna be at painting them, but we're gonna try. I try to do it like, not just a straight line. I try to come up almost like a triangle. Does that make sense? Okay, I don't know if it makes sense or not. That's what I do. So I'm gonna keep doing that. Try to do it like a triangle coming out where it has a kind of a square end. And the good part about this is how it literally is so thick and chunky. Just kind of reminds me of myself. A little short, chunky, and thick. So let me show you what this is coming along. So we're gonna do that. How stinking cute is that? Now, I am definitely going to add some highlights to this, but right now we're gonna leave it like this so it can kind of dry a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and start painting this circle, okay? And so now I'm gonna put some hot glue on the back of this and put this yellow down. Blaze has gone to get my other thing. Let me show you what this is looking like so far. How cute is that? And I'm gonna put a little splash of yellow on each of these. And then I also have some little tiles that I'm gonna write something out. So it's gonna be so many, okay? So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take just a little more white so I can do a little bit of highlighting. I don't need much, but I need a little. I'm gonna take my little small brush and we're just gonna do some little highlights on my sun. So we added a few little highlights. These are, can't even see. Anyway, it's really cute. I'm gonna leave it like that for just a minute. We still gotta do a little more work to that one. Now on this one, here's my problem. I'm not a perfect crafter, I'm not a perfect whatever, clearly. We got a sunshine that was looking really cute, but yikes, I'm missing one and I ran out. So, I don't know what to do, totally. They've already dried, because I thought, well, I could just, well, that one was still a little bit. Hold on, guys, I will figure this out. Just kind of covering up some of this where it came out. Okay, I'm gonna try to just move these over just a little. Like this or something. It's not gonna be totally right. It'll work. It's still gonna be cute, okay, I think. That works. You can kind of see where I messed up, but we're gonna make it be fine. It's gonna be really cute. So now I'm gonna take this yellow that I have, and I'm literally just gonna put just a little bit of yellow on each petal. Not petal, I'm sorry, ray. This is not a flower. This is a sun. Okay, now I'm gonna mix a little bit of white. I love how it's got like a layered look when I add the white on top of that yellow. So cute. I wanna add a little to the middle to kind of tone it down a notch. Okay, here's this sun. That's pretty cute, something different. Be the sunshine. Like I have to keep playing in my mind, be the sunshine, because I don't know, I can't think. I have to just keep reminding myself. Okay, sunshine, I-N-E, I-N-E, okay. Be the sunshine, y'all, that's cute. Okay, that's pretty dang cute. So let me just attach these little letters, putting a little dab of hot glue on each one. I'm not having them be super white. It's just a whimsy sign. So I'm not trying to be all perfect with these by any stretch. I'm kind of staggering the letters. It's just gonna have a good fun look. And it's funny, like the inspiration you can get, because I didn't have a sunshine like just to paint. So I just, you know, it's funny how you can just find stuff and be like, oh, that would make a sun. That's the most fun thing to do, is just find random things to bring together. That's what I would love to do. I hope I inspire you in some way. You might never want to make the exact thing I make, because sometimes I probably would not remake some of the stuff I make. But still, the process is what's so fun. So hopefully it maybe inspires you in some small way. All right, this is not perfect at all, but I think it turned out cute. let me turn this around so you can see. It wasn't a big deal till now. Hold on.
Is it be the sunshine or be my sunshine?
Be the sunshine. Be my sunshine would have been cute too. Okay. Be the sunshine. Y'all, how cute! And you could totally, this is not a perfect sign by any stretch. And my hair is so, whatever. Oh my gosh, why? But isn't this cute, y'all? For real. Just a cute little sign. Definitely, I'll probably put the twine back in so that it'll hang, but I took it out so I could paint it. But yeah, you could use sticks as the ray of sun, whatever. It's just a super cute, fun little sign, and I am loving it. Now, this one that we took the $2 sign from Dollar General, I'm sorry, although Dollar Tree is about to be the $2 tree or $1.25 tree or whatever. This is from Dollar General, but we painted over that and put this little sunshine. It feels like I need something more on this. Like, I just don't feel like this is finished. I don't know. I don't know if this is gonna do right. I'll just be totally blatantly honest, but I'm gonna fill in, and I'm actually gonna add a little bit of liquid text to it and fill in the white to make it thicker too. That way it covers all the imperfections up a little more to make it the background textured too, not just the top. And right now I'm just dipping my paint in the texture. Okay, let me go ahead and just show y'all kind of how this is coming. See the bottom? How it's got that much more of a whimsy sign? How cute is that, for real? I don't know, I'm definitely gonna take a picture of this because I don't think that this is doing it justice at all, but it's definitely making it look better. Adding the texture, it changed the whole look of this sign, so it was definitely the right move. I just don't know that y'all can see it that well on camera. Like I said, it's just a fun little whimsy sun, and I can just totally see it on my spring coffee bar. That's kind of where I had in mind for it. So here it is after it has been, and I know I have a bright light on, but how fun is that? I'm not even kidding. So cute. I think that yellow is really cute. Just really cute. You can get gel medium at Hobby Lobby for sure, okay? Let's see, so here's the other one we did, which I think turned out really fun. It says Be the Sunshine. It's all online, Jill. And then this one. So these are just two fun little signs. It's getting like it's over the top and gonna be in some magazine or whatever, but it was fun to do. It was fun to just craft and enjoy being together, honestly. So I had a lot of fun, and I just hope y'all have a great day. Thank you for being here. It was super fun, and hope y'all have a good night.